We've been warning about it for weeks, but today was the day that Ohio's BMV finally rolled out the biggest changes in decades to Ohio driver's licenses. And we got inside a local license bureau as drivers struggle to understand all the new rules. Lines were long here at the downtown Cincinnati License Bureau.
This has to get a reinstatement.
As BMV clerks explained the changes to Ohio driver's licenses. Among those who'll have to come back was Beth Burke.
There was a lady that was going through the line, checking to see what you needed and making sure you had what you needed. And if you didn't, you just walk back out again.
What it all meant was longer lines, a lot more paperwork to look through, and in the case of some drivers, uncertainty about what they had to bring. A TSA-compliant license with a star in the corner lets you get on an airplane. You'll need to bring proof of your full legal name, date of birth, and social, and have 2 proofs of Ohio residency. Rick Bell fell short.
I'm going to have to come back, unfortunately, because I didn't have the required documentation.
Don't plan to fly? You can just get a standard license, which doesn't require extra ID.
If you have an existing card already and you're just looking to renew it, all you would need to bring in is your existing driver's license or ID card.
But everyone will still have to wait 10 days to receive their license in the mail. Scott Henry walked out with just a temporary piece of paper and holes punched in his old license, showing it now invalid. It was all a little frustrating for Lowney Miller.
I think it's kind of crazy. We're in the period of instant gratification. I need my ID right now.
Yeah, it's confusing. Your best bet to check our reports on WCPO.com before you go in for a driver's license renewal.